Before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from our channel. Today in this video, let's unbox the most affordable budget mechanical gaming keyboard available in the market. So, let's begin. So here is the package from Amazon. A pretty heavy package, I would say. Let me cut it open with my scissor. Pretty good looking box. The keyboard is looking awesome in this picture. Now let's get inside. Here is the user guide. This is the keycap removal tool. Now this is the keyboard itself. It's a gold plated USB, so that's good. Okay, so I will be using this keyboard for a few weeks and then come up with a full review. So if you don't want to miss that, surely subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.